This is Google Pixel Watch 3, and today I'll show how you can turn on or off the vibration and haptics on this smartwatch. So in the beginning, we will need to launch settings. Hence, wake your watch up and either launch the control panel by swiping downwards on the watch face like that, or open the app view and launch the settings app from here. Now scroll down and enter the vibration preferences. Here, scroll down once more and look for the vibration and haptics toggle, which you can disable to switch off the vibration and haptics or switch on to enable them. As simple as that. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.